I'm Darren Huff, and this is Tech Tuesday with another technical tip. Let's go check it out.
Let's just unwrap the bag here. So this is how the repair kit comes. It's bagged, has the installation guide in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll lay this out. So you have the repair guide, and then we have some parts and pieces in here. Not to be alarmed, there's extra parts and pieces in here. These are the two larger heat shrinks. So this is going to cover the entire repair, and we have two of those. You're normally going to use one. These little shorter ones are going to be used to heat shrink over the crimp rings itself. You could have up to 6 of those or as little as 3 of those. You're going to have a minimum of 3. You should have a maximum of 6 unless you really butchered the cable, right? So these are the little short heat shrinks. And then these are the crimp rings. And the wire goes in this end and then this end. And then this gets crimped down over the cable itself. What's a crimp tool? How do I crimp it? Well, there's all kinds of different tools on the marketplace that you can use. These are a new tool. That's a wire stripper. You can do some crimping of some insulated connectors or the crimp ring, which get popped into these little grooves. And then these little nubs here actually press the metal against the heating cable. This red wire here, this is just strictly power cable. There's no heating element. This does not produce any heat. It's a jumper. And we give you, I don't know, 2 feet worth there. It's only to jump. That's what's in the bag and some of the tools.
That's it for this week. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on another Tech Tuesday.